Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you are enjoying your week as it's coming to a close and that you're getting ready for the weekend. So I'm going to keep your Edpuzzle video today pretty brief. I just need to go over a couple of things for you today. I don't have any lesson math questions in this video today because you'll be doing something a bit different. I do want to remind you guys to make sure that you complete Math Olympics event number 7 today. You will get that. Make sure you complete this video, and you have one new assignment today. It's going to be a review, and that's a quizzes assignment. So I know that you guys have done a quizzes in social studies and I think maybe science before, but otherwise you should be familiar with quizzes. It'll be posted just like the Edpuzzles are, just like everything else has been, and there'll be a link that'll take you to the quizzes for you guys to complete. Okay, so that's what you will be doing today, completing this Edpuzzle video, the quizzes, and then Math Olympics event number 7. Okay, so make sure you guys are doing that. On the Math Olympics topic, so this week 2 classes were winners from Math Olympics event number 7. So 2 classes from Team A. One, that would be our Block 1 and our Math Block 1 and Math Block 2. So congratulations to them for winning 2 of the possible, how do I say that? 2 of the possible events they could have won. That's not right. But congratulations to them. So they got to pick what teacher and what challenge that would be completed. Both classes picked myself. So I get the opportunity to complete some more challenges on Friday, which is tomorrow. So the 2 challenges that they have elected for me to complete is number 1, I will be reading a children's picture book with different accents. I have the children's picture book already picked out, and I am, of course, warming up on my accents to make sure that they are oh so perfect when I read the book to you all on Friday. So I'm probably going to be going live on a Google Meet again at about noon, so about 12 o'clock. I'll be live with that. After after I'm done reading the books in different accents, then I will be eating a weird food combination that made up of ingredients that I have here at my house already. So I have no idea what I'm going to create for that yet. If you guys want to leave me any suggestions or comments, that could be helpful. Otherwise, I'm just going to try to make it up as I go, and I don't know. Hope it's not awful. Kind of concerned about it and what I'm actually going to eat, and trying not to potentially, vomit. So, but we'll roll with that. I'm excited, looking forward to it. And if you guys want to pick more tasks and challenges for me to complete or for other teachers to complete, make sure you're giving your best effort on this week's Math Olympics event number 7. Make sure you complete it because classes are rewarded on the highest number of people that participate and that complete the event, as well as the highest average. So keep that up, and then you could be picking the next task and the next teacher to complete that. Okay. So I want to talk a little bit about procedures for the final few weeks of the year. Okay. As you may have heard, we as teachers will not be assigning any new content material after next Wednesday. I think it's May 6th. So Wednesday, May 6th, no new assignments will be assigned. So that means I'm not going to be teaching any more new content. I'm not going to be giving you new Envision assignments, anything like that. I'm still going to create videos probably twice a week, checking in with you guys, still give you Mr. Sorrell's trivia questions, which I'll do here at the end of this video. I'll still give you guys some reviews. We'll still do the Math Olympics. But as far as new content, I will not be assigning that after next Tuesday. So really, you have one more final new topic and lesson that we're going to go over for this school year. So yeah, that's kind of the reality is kind of setting in for me. It's a bit sad, and in particular, it's a bit sad to do it this way. But like I said, we'll still have other activities that we'll be completing, but just not based on any new content. Okay, so I just want to make you aware of that. Now, moving on to the Mr. Sorrell 6th grade trivia question, and today we're going to center our focus around music. Okay, and more, and in particular, kind of music artists, bands, solo artists, who, and things like that. So, my main question is, in 6th grade, what was my favorite musical artist or band that I listen to all the time? I mean, it kind of started, my love for this band really started in 6th grade, and still to this day, I really enjoy that band, type of music. Although more of their recent music isn't the greatest, but their originals and the depth of their music and just the quantity and quality that they have is really great. So I'm just gonna ask you guys what my favorite music artist, music band was. It started in 6th grade. So I will give you a hint about that. How do I say this? You could say this band was in the genre of alternative or rock. So if you're not certain what genre is, that just means the type of music that they create. So there's country, pop, hip hop, rap, R&B, alternative, rock, and techno, dance, electronica. Probably even more that I'm not even naming. But this in particular music artist / band, their music falls into the genre of, like I said, alternative rock-ish. And then I guess the other hint that I'll give you is this band started really becoming famous and producing music in the 90s, and then they hit it really big in the 2000s and mid 2000s. So perfect time when I was in 6th grade. Okay. So you answer that. Just give it your best shot. Whatever you think. If you can't even come up with a band, like I said, just give me your best effort with that. You can put in any band that you know or music artist that you may know. And then after that, the question that I want you guys to answer is, what is your current favorite music artist or band? Or if you don't know, you can just put favorite song. You can put favorite genre. That's fine with me as well. Anything musical that you want to put down, go ahead and do that. If your favorite music artist is Beethoven, go ahead and put that. I'm perfectly cool with that. I just want you guys to share what you like musically. So you can give me a lot of information or just give me what the band is. So I'm going to have you guys at this time go ahead and see if you can tackle those two questions right now. All right, so my favorite band that started in sixth grade was a band called Green Day. Now, some of you maybe have heard of those or heard of that band before. But yeah, I fell in love with Green Day at about that time. Their music just sounded great to me. Really like their lyrics as well. Probably some of my all-time favorite songs from Green Day are the songs "Good Riddance," okay, also known as "Time of Your Life," and then there's a song called "Basket Case" to me, which is another really good song. "Boulevard of Broken Dreams." I probably have to put that one in the top as well. I think of any other good ones that I want to mention. There's one called "Holiday." That was really great. That song just gets you really pumped up. So, yeah, that's all I've got. Thank you guys for your answers. I always enjoy and love reading what your guesses are. So keep that up. Keep guessing. It's fun. Fun for me, and I hope it's fun for you. And then I really enjoy seeing all of your answers and what your favorites are. And I try to respond to you guys on Edpuzzle because I think what you guys have to share is really awesome. So keep doing that, and yeah, we'll keep having fun with this and keep at it. After this week, guys, I know it's crazy and it's hard to believe, and it may not feel like it, but after this week, we've only got officially 3 more weeks of school and online learning. And as I said before, while this is not ideal and it's not fun the way that we've had to go through school the past month and a half, and now we'll have to finish the year. I'm really glad that I've gotten to share this whole year and this whole experience with you guys. So I know there'll be a lot more emotion, a lot more sadness and goodbyes coming towards the end of the year. But I just want to let you guys know I've enjoyed the journey a great deal, and I'm gonna really take the time to reflect and really take in the last 3 weeks with you guys. Before you move on to 7th grade. So anyway, thank you for listening. Hope you guys have a fabulous weekend. If it's nice out, which I think it's supposed to, at least maybe 1 or 2 of the days, make sure you get out, continue to spend time with family, continue to stay healthy. And I'll see you next week for your final math lesson. Okay? Until then, nog it, pound it, see ya.